Today I'm back with Franz Petzold, Clariant Syngas Sales Manager, and we are talking about more frequently asked questions related to EARTH, which is a technology co-developed with Technip.
Yes. Hi, Karen. Well, last time we talked about loading, and another frequently asked question is how long does the loading actually take of the EARTH system compared to standard catalyst pellets?
Yeah, I guess on one side, you aren't having to load individual tubes with the conventional catalyst pellets, but you are still having to load the individual tube inserts which hold the structured catalyst.
Correct. Yes. But that tube installation only takes about 15 to 20 minutes each. So you take out the old one, with the crane, and then replace it with the new one, install the new one. So from ground to installation, the fastest one was like 10 minutes. So that's it's a good time per tube.
Okay. So if you're using EARTH and then you reach end of life, can you reuse those riser tubes?
Yes, you can. Those riser tubes are made of a very similar alloy than the SMR tubes themselves. So they have pretty long life actually. So 6 years is definitely not the end for them. So you take those out, and then you basically you take off the structured catalyst stacks on the ground and replace them with new ones. And while you do that, the crane is already working on the next tube actually. So you just replace the catalyst stacks around the riser tube.
Okay. So generally speaking, loading EARTH, we would say takes about the same time, maybe as conventional catalyst pellets.
Exactly. Yep. So no change or major change in any direction really. It takes about the same time now.
Awesome. Cool. Well, I really appreciate the info, friends.
All right. Yeah. Thanks, Karen.
Have a good day. Bye.